Next item on our to-do list is tiling our backsplash in the kitchen area. We're using metro style mosaic tiles. A few outlets here I had to cut around the tiles, but apart from that it's one straight wall, so I think it should be pretty straightforward. Next step in this van build is priming my backsplash. Before I can start tiling it, I have to prime it. But before I can start priming, I have to protect everything, so I'm going to tape everything. Bought a sheet of plastic, so I'm going to cover my cabinets, my gas stove, so everything stays clean. Nearly there. Maybe I covered too much, but better say than sorry, right? Okay, everything is covered in plastic. All the edges are taped, so I can start priming. After this, let it dry for a night. Let's see if it's enough. Otherwise, second layer. And this weekend we can start tiling our backsplash. Applying a second coat now, and you see it's necessary. You see the difference. First layer, second layer, so you can see the first layer is nearly completely absorbed by the wood. Someone is learning at YouTube University this morning to become a professional tiler this afternoon.
We're doing mosaic. But keep in mind, something like this is going to be a little bit more challenging.
More challenging.
Now we get to our PowerPoint. We have to make sure when we've got exposed wires like this.
A new day, a new job. Let's start. Rolling. I hope. So I will use mosaic tiles here in the kitchen wall and start with the right glue for the job. Let's get started. Cream.
Real pro at work.
No, thank you. I like more chocolate mousse. Yeah. And now we'll put it here. Look, that's pro. I clean up the spaces between the tiles, so it will be more beautiful tomorrow. I hope so. Day 2 of the tiles. Here, today I make the grout to fill up the joints. So I have the powder to have to mix with the water. I will start now. You see it? It's a gray color. Just mix it and hope it's a perfect color. I'm trying to remove the masking tape. It's stuck under the tiles, you see? Not that easy. Sometimes good.
Yeah, but they can mask it with some silicone.
Yeah, they won't see it.
And finish the tiles. And happy with the result so far?
I'm more than happy. When I would have not a house on wheels, I would take the same tiles. I really love it. I think the grey will be a little bit lighter because it's wet now, so it will dry. I like it. It's really a home now, almost. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this van build, check out our playlist and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.